Hey, it's Annie. Today I have the Vantrue N5 dash cam. I'm really excited that the company sent this to me to help you out, and I'm going to show you how I installed this in my minivan. It's going to be interesting to see what I capture in my video, as well as just having a better view of what's happening in general, being able to finally see all my kids, see what they're up to. It's great. Let's get this out and put it together. So I'm just an ordinary mom, not like a tech genius or anything like that. Here's a quick start guide, which is nice. It's very visual. We've got this really nice detailed user manual, and I like that it has color representations as well. All right, so the first step in the installation here, it says that you need a memory card. It recommends the Vantrue U3 high-speed micro SD. So this is the front viewing camera, and this is the back viewing camera, so it can see inside as well. This is where the SD card's going to be stored. It's just a little cap that comes right off. And that's where you're going to go. This is the mount. We're going to line it with the dash cam interface here. You can kind of see where these like little metal prongs are, and you can see the receiving interface. I'm going to just kind of click it right in. Oh, super easy. And this moves around. The first step is we're going to find our spot where we want to place the camera. In the manual it says to put it next to the rear view mirror, but some people are putting it kind of like just under it. As long as it's not blocking any of your view, you want to have the best view possible. So when you put the mount on there, you're supposed to have it going sideways like that, if you see what I mean. We're going to put it right there. Wiping the windshield. We're going to use this electrostatic sticker. You peel off the side that's marked with number 1. You see I'm just putting this here into place. It's recommended to put the adhesion primer on the second side. Just peeling off the other side of the sticker. And I'm going to take this wipe. Take the protection off of the mount. And then apply. Looks good. It's not interfering with what I need to see in the windshield. Sticking very nicely. Now I have easy access to where the SD card's gonna go. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. So I'm gonna use this, it includes a second one. I'm gonna repeat the same steps as before. So I'm just cleaning up the window a little bit. Alright, so I've got the front and the back installed, sticking on the window. With the little rear camera, don't forget the blue sticker that's covering and protecting the camera. It's hard to get it back off once you stick it, so make sure you get that done. We've got a few different wires here. This is going to be the one that plugs into your car lighter, and we're going to use this long wire to connect the front and the back camera. This is the long wire here. I'm going to plug it right on top of the camera in the front, and then I'm going to run it all the way back. Here I'm using a tool that was included in the package. It helps you tuck the wires into the creases of the car. This is the top of my car here. Let's see, maybe make that a little straighter up there. Okay. I just looped it in here under this silicone seal, where you can actually lift it up a little bit and then push it real deep in there throughout the whole window. Now I'm going to try to do that on the sliding glass door. This is a Toyota Minivan, pretty common. This tool's coming in handy for this. My fingers got tired after a while. Here's another one of those plastic parts, kind of like a partition. Now I've got the rear camera plugged into the USB. I'm leaving a little bit of tolerance here because we don't want it being pulled out as the back door is being opened and shut. Okay, next up we're going to take the lighter charger, plug it in, and then we're going to attach it to the front. So I plugged it into the side of the camera mount where it's on the glass, so you can see it here. I put it in there, and the next thing I'm going to do is run this wire again, tuck it in all the way around. So I did the lighter, I wrapped it in there. It's not the greatest, but maybe I'll find some kind of tape to just, like, for this one spot. That's the only spot I couldn't really hide. Everything's too snug in here. But then I just put it inside of my compartment here that opens and closes. And now you hardly see it anywhere. There goes the wire. Goes up under the seal. Meets to the same spot where we started with the front one. Then I tucked it in here. And then from there it goes all the way to the final spot, the front dash. I think it's pretty good. It's about as good as I can get it. So really the only wire I see is this part and the one in the back. Alright, so I'm using these bottom 4 buttons to do the navigation here on the screen. It's not touch screen. I thought it was for a minute. Okay, I'm going to skip forward and show you what it looks like from different perspectives. None of this is edited. There's no filters. So this is what it really looks like. These are pretty amazing. The resolution is sharp, and you can even see what speed you are going, where you're located, everything. I was thinking that maybe when my kids are old enough to be driving on their own, it'd be nice to have this available to keep track of their activity and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to. I'm really, really happy with this product. It was easy to install and user-friendly. This is a really great product. Of course, I'm giving it my recommendation. It's doing exactly what I hoped it would do. I'm really pleased with the results. And I hope this is helpful if you are looking for a way to install it in your minivan.